Hi, I'm Padraig Conneely and I'd like to introduce you to the Level 8 Diploma in Manufacturing Automation. This diploma is motivated by the transition towards an increasingly automated manufacturing industry through digitalization and modern technologies. This diploma enables participants to develop skills for this challenge. We do this by addressing three key areas in this diploma. The first is sensors, actuators and control systems. So what hardware and software are needed to automate simple manufacturing processes? How do we build these systems and how do we program them? The second is modeling, simulation and digital twins. How can we use data to analyze and visualize if our processes can deliver what we need? What happens if we need to adjust to changing market demand, new product introduction or significant product change? The third is robotics and automated systems. How can we automate more complicated processes? What robots, grippers, or end-of-arm tooling or automatically guided vehicles could we use and how do they work? The theme of this diploma is all about application of automated technologies to real-life production scenarios. There is an emphasis on programming using online simulation software which you can learn at home in your own time. You will then gain hands-on experience through our on-site labs where you will get to build and test automated systems, meet your classmates and lecturers, and apply your learning to real-life industrial scenarios. The new diploma is called Manufacturing Automation. It is available at Level 8 or at Level 9 as a postgraduate certificate in key enabling technologies. Thank you.